Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we connect package Badges to Flutter. Now we open project, update information, write debug show checked not banner false, and we add variables, write int card badge amount, write 0, then we write late bool, show card badge, then we write color, colors dot red, save, then we update method build, write show card badge, then we write card badge amount, remove up bar, remove widget center, add parameter cross axis alignment center, add import, and need add package badges, save, then we add shopping cart badge, write widget, write shopping cart badge, return badges badge, write position, write badges position, top end, write top 0, and you write 3, then we write badge animation, write badges animation slide, and we add show badge, add show card badge, then we add badge style, write badges badge style, write padding h insets dot only left 6, right 6, write badge color, add color, save, then we add const, then we add parameter badge content, write widget text, then we write card badge amount to string, write style, write text style, color, colors dot white, Then we add parameter child, right icon button, add icon, then we write icons, add shopping cart, on pressed, add to method build, save, now we add remove cart buttons, write widget, write add remove cart buttons, return, write padding, write edge insets dot all 8, write child, write widget row, add parameter children, write main axis alignment, space evenly, then we write elevated button, write icon, write icons dot add, write set state, write cart badge amount, write if color, write colors dot blue, then you write color, write colors dot red, then we add const, then we write elevated button, write set state, write icon, write icons dot remove, save, then we add const, and we check show cart badge, then we write cart badge amount, write color, write colors dot blue, save, then we add remove cart buttons to method build, save, open emulator, now we update badge animation. We can update more parameters and we use animation duration, for example. Then you write milliseconds, 400, save, hot restart. Then we use parameter experience fade animation duration. Write duration milliseconds 300. Hot restart. And we use parameter curve. Curves. We use easing chord. And now we update type shapes. And update animation duration. Write shape. Now we add square. Save. Then we add Twitter. And we add Instagram. That's all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.